Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Okay, what about your
Good
seminar?
afternoon, ma'am.
Hmm? Why all are very slow in joining now? Only three of you have done that. No, not three. More than that. Okay, group leader. First group leader. Present or not? No. Aditya. Aditya is Krishna. Afsana. Amina.
Yes, ma'am.
You didn't do your PowerPoint, right?
No, I
Seminar.
did, ma'am.
You did?
I'm seated.
Okay, just 1 minute. Who is your leader?
Meghna.
Meghna. So in your groups, Afsana didn't do or what? Meghna is present? No. Last week also she was not there or what, Meghna? No, she was there. 14. Why all are very slow in joining? You had a class or what before?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
That is why you are slow. Mm, Meghna. Then Anne Mary, yours is also Meghna, right? Huh?
Ashik's group.
Ashik. So till Amina, you are in Meghna's, I feel. Ashik, your group?
Uh,
Hmm.
and Mary and
Hmm.
Gita,
And Mary?
Bhattacharya, Nimi.
Arjun is there?
Yes, ma'am. Arjun sir.
Okay, Ashik, you did not do then.
Now I'm giving you the topic.
I didn't give the topic of. Okay, only one group I gave. That's what you are telling. Okay, okay. Okay. Sectors of the economy. Okay, fine. Meghna, I wanted to check with her whether anyone is remaining. Aman, what about Aman? Okay, let it be. Let everyone join. Then afterwards I will ask. That's better. Okay. Okay, so in the previous class I taught you regarding credit, right? Loan. Yes or no? Yes or no? You people can just in between unmute and tell the answer, okay, when I am asking. And I want everyone to switch on your video. Sainaba, Adidev, Rose, Anne Marie, Haya, on your video. First, yes. Okay, so what do you mean by a loan? Fia, can you tell what is a loan or what do you mean by a credit?
An agreement in which the lender supplies the borrower with money, goods, or services
Hmm.
in return for the
Hmm.
promise of future payment.
Yeah, in promising in that future they will be repaying that. Okay, I told you that there are two or one example I told you through which I told you that credit plays a positive role in the life of a person. One example I told you. Now next you can see another one. I'll just share the screen. 1 minute. One more example is given that is related to another person, another case study, what is happening in her life, that is what is given. Okay. Um, Badra, can you read this?
Yes, ma'am.
Surya, what are you doing? Okay.
Swapna's problem.
Huh.
Swapna, a small farmer, grows groundnut on her 3 acres of land.
Hmm.
She takes a loan from the moneylender to
Hmm.
meet the expenses of cultivation,
Hmm.
hoping that her harvest would help repay the loan.
Hmm.
Midway through the season, the crop is hit by pests and the crop fails. Though Swapna
though
sprays her crops with expensive pesticides, it makes little difference. She is unable to repay the moneylender, and the debt grows over the year into a large amount. Next year, Swapna takes a fresh loan for cultivation. It is a normal crop this year, but the earnings are not enough to cover the old loan. She is caught in debt. She has to sell a part of the land to pay off the debt.
Okay, now here Swapna, she is a small farmer. How much acres of land she owns? Rose? How much acres
3
of
acres of land.
3 acres of land here. Okay, now here you can see that she is a small farmer, so she doesn't have much savings, or she doesn't have much money to invest in the cultivation, in the sense to buy the seeds or to buy the fertilizers, pesticides and all. She doesn't have much money. So what is she doing, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
What is she doing? She does-
Taking loan from
Yeah,
money lender.
she is taking a loan from money lender. Okay, and she felt that okay, she can repay this money when she gets a good production, or when she gets a good yield, she will be able to repay. Okay, now here Surya. Surya, can you hear me? Prajot.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what happened? She expected that she can repay the loan, but what happened to her expectation? Yes? What happened? Whether she was able to
She
repay?
can't pay.
Why? What happened? Why she was not able to repay that? Hmm?
Ma'am, midway, the crop was hit by pest and
Yes,
crop
the
fails.
crop is hit by the pest and the crop was destroyed, we can say. Because of that reason, she was not able to get good production. So one more reason, one more thing, it is given here: expensive pesticides were used by her, but still you can see that she was not able to get a good crops. Because of that, what happened, hence Steve? Because of that, what happened?
Money lender take
No, because of that, what happened? Next step. She took the loan, she used it, but she is not getting much production. So, was she able?
she
Hmm. She was not able to repay
stopped
the.
it in the midway.
She was not able to repay the money lender. And what happened when she is not having money to repay to the money lender, whatever money she took, it becomes large, because no interest she is paying, and she was not able to pay the amount what she has taken this year. She is not paying, so when she is going to pay the next year, what happens? The amount becomes more. Okay, now what happens next year? Again she doesn't have money. This crop production was a failure, so she doesn't have money. So what she is doing, what she did, Savio? What happened? Next year production, what she did? Hmm? Louder, louder. Hmm? Savio, please talk louder.
She took a new loan.
She took a new loan for the cultivation, because she was not able to get a proper production last year itself, and for doing new next year the cultivation, she is not having any money with her, so she is again taking a loan. Now, what was about the result now? What was about the production? Arjun, can you tell? All of you switch on your video. Hmm?
I joined now.
Okay. Meghna, can you tell? She is taking loan again, and what happened to that particular year production?
Ma'am,
She
but there
has to
was no
sell
much
part of her
product.
land.
What is it?
She has to sell part of her land.
No, what is she? She is taking a
Earnings
loan
were
again
not
for
good as
cultivation. Okay.
accepted.
So again for doing cultivation she took, and what about that result? What was the result? Whether she is getting a huge
there was not
production?
much earning.
Yes, she is getting a normal crop, not a very high production or anything. So what happened here, the earnings what she got this year was not enough to repay the old loan. So old loan is there, new loan is there, both these together she was not able to repay that. So as a result of it, what happened, Sainaba? Sainaba, as a result what happened? She took now 2 loans. She is not able to repay that loan because she did not get much production. So as a result, what happened to her? Johan, everyone is kept it off. Many of you are just a video, you are keeping it off and sitting. Huh? On your video. It's given on the screen that what happened to her. That you can't tell, right?
Ma'am, she has to sell part of her land.
Yes, she had to sell a part of her land and pay off the debt. Now, what happened to the land here? It is reduced. The amount of the land is reduced. Okay, so this is one important point related to a loan is given. What is that? She was caught in debt. She took 2 times loan and she was not able to pay back that, and because of that reason, she sold a part of her land and then paid off the debt. Okay, or debt. Now next one, we are talking about why the people are taking loans in the rural areas. Okay, so here Surya, can you tell why people are taking loans in the rural areas? For what purpose they take loans in rural areas? Rural area, what is the main occupation? Huh? Farming, it's correct. Farming is correct. Okay. So farming, they are taking loans. For what purpose they are taking loan?
Necessary items.
Necessary. That's what I'm asking. What is that necessary item? Can you think of what all necessary items will come in that?
Seeds,
Seeds. Okay, good. Then
machines,
machines. Then
fertilizers,
fertilizers. Okay, seeds, machines, fertilizers, because many of these farmers, they may not have much money with them. Okay, so they depend on the money lenders or the banks for getting loans. So here you can see many of these areas, the people, they take loans mainly for seeds, fertilizers, and maybe for getting water, electricity, repair of equipment, like that. Okay, but here in this you can see whenever they are getting loan, okay, whenever they get loan from the money lenders, you know that they are investing on the land. So that means maybe think of rice. When they are doing the cultivation, they have to sow the seeds. So there is a gap between sowing the seeds and harvesting, right? Is it that you sow the seeds and you get the result that there itself? Is it like that? After 1 week you will be getting the result or what? How is it?
no ma'am, we
No.
need to wait and grow.
Yeah. How long we have to wait? Somewhat. Somewhat, approximately. Can you tell?
3 to
3
4
months.
months.
maybe 5 months or 6 months like that, or 3 to 4 months like that. Okay, so they are spending money. In between also they have to spend. Sowing the seeds are there, or first itself plowing the land, then sowing the seeds, then you have to put fertilizer, then you have to spray the pesticides. Like that, lot of spending is there from the side of farmer. And after completing all these 5-6 months only the production is ready. Okay, so there is a gap between what these harvesting and sowing. So during that time they take the loans, and they if they are not able to repay that, it will create a problem. When they will repay that, that loan will be repaid after the, when they will repay? After the
Harvesting.
harvest. Okay, so repayment is very much important. Repayment is very much important, and it is dependent on income from farming. If you are not getting any income from farming, will you be able to repay that amount?
No.
No, it will be difficult for you. So here what they have given, a repayment is very important, and it is dependent upon the income from farming. Swapna's case, what happened? Crop production, crop failed. Whether she was able to repay the loan?
No.
No. So what she did? She sold a part of the land to repay the loan. So in this case, we are talking about, in this case, credit, instead of helping her, left her worse off. Left her worse off in the sense what? What do you mean by left her worse off? Before,
situation is even worse.
yeah, situation has become more worse now. Before taking credit, she was better. But after that, what happened? Her situation became worse. Okay, so that is what we say, that credit, when it plays two roles, positive role and negative role. So it is playing a positive or negative role in the matter of Swapna? Is it positive or negative?
Negative.
It is negative. Okay, now this is one example what they have given for debt trap. Debt trap, in the sense, it is a trap where you are caught in debt. You are caught in debt in the sense, once you take the loan, you are not able to repay the loan. Again, on the top of that, you are taking loan. Like that, you will be caught in that particular debt. So that particular situation, we call it as debt trap. Got it? What do you mean by debt trap? What is debt trap? Anyone? You can tell in your own words. What is debt trap? Yes? Who can tell? Nobody is ready to tell.
Ma'am,
Right? Yes.
if you take a loan or lend money from someone, if you are not able to repay it, it will take more interest. It will become a big money.
It will become a big problem. Okay, big amount of money.
It will be not able to repay.
Yeah. He or she will not be able to repay that particular money. It's like a trap now. You are trapped in that. It is very difficult to come out from that situation. So in this case, what they are telling, borrower, what is happening? He is in such a situation where recovery is very much painful. It is he is not able to recover from that particular situation. So two situations we discussed here. One situation, credit helped the person, that is helped the Salim, and increase his income, and he was better off than before. You know, you remember, I hope you remember what happened in the case of Salim. What happened in the case of Salim? What happened in the case of Salim? Hadi, can you tell? Salim, we discussed one case study, what he did and what happened to him after taking the credit. What happened to him? Hadi? Louder. He was? You don't know. Adidev, can you tell what happened? what happened in the matter of Salim when he took a loan?
He couldn't repay.
He got profit.
He could? I'm not getting. Tell.
He was able to repay.
He made
Yeah,
profit
he was able to repay the loan amount, and it made his situation better. He was able to earn more and more income. But so one situation I told you that credit helps to increase earnings, and therefore the person is better off than before. But another situation, what happened? There was a crop failure, and that pushes that person into debt traps. So to repay that loan, she was not able to repay the loan. She sold a part of her land, and what happened now? Her situation is worse off than before. So whether the credit is useful or not, it depends upon the repayment or the risk involved in the situation. So do you think that in the business of Salim there is no risk? In Swapna's case, we saw a risk was there. What was that risk? What happened? That was a risk. What was that risk in Swapna's case? Anyone?
It depended upon what will happen for the crop, if anything bad or good.
No, but see, that is what she can do. But what was the risk in that? What went wrong?
Crop failure.
Crop failure. Why? Why the crop failed? Because of
Bad weather and
pest. Because of pest. So that was the risk involved in her work. What was the risk involved in Salim's work? There also was a risk. They are giving a condition there. What was that? Anyone? See, there is a condition that you should do like this, then only his work will be perfect, and he did that, then only he got a good earning or profit. What was that risk involved in his business?
finishing in time.
Yes, very good. Finishing on time, that is the very much important point. There it is a risk for him. If he is not able to finish it on time, what will happen? The large trader will not take, and he will be facing loss there. So risks are involved in each and every business, but how we are going to deal with that and how the credit helps in dealing with that case is different. Okay. Now, next one is regarding terms of credit. Okay. Now, whenever we take a loan, there are some terms and conditions. Okay. What do you feel that even if you go to the bank and ask for the loan, will they give like that? What do you feel? No. Why don't they give loan?
They will only give for a reason.
They will give only for a reason. No, we all have reason, right? I want 10 lakhs of money for doing something, so I have a reason. Will they give it to me simply like that? Yes? Yes or no?
No.
But why? Why don't they give? Why they are not giving loan to everyone? What is the reason? Someone can think of.
It should be for a good use or something.
It should be for a good use or nothing. It is my wish, I can use that money for any purpose. So if I go and ask in the bank whether they will give or not, just if I go and ask whether they will give.
Procedures.
What is it? Say louder. Something you said I didn't hear only, that's why I'm asking.
Many procedures will be there for the loans.
What is that? I didn't get till now.
Procedures.
Ma'am, many procedures will be there.
Procedures, okay, procedures will be there. That's what you are telling. Okay, procedures are there. Or we say that there are some terms and conditions. We have to accept that, then only we will be getting loan. Okay, so here every loan agreement involves some terms and conditions to be followed by the borrower. Okay, borrower is the one who is asking for money. So if there are some terms and conditions, that is what we call it as terms of credit. Okay, now in the terms of credit, the first one comes, that is, every loan agreement specifies an interest rate. Okay, so you know that whenever we take loan, there will be an interest rate that will be specified, and that should be accepted by the borrower and the lender. So the first term of, or first condition for getting a credit, it specifies an interest rate where the borrower should accept that he will repay the interest rate along with the principal. Okay, got it everyone? So what do you mean by interest here? One condition what they have given, that rate of interest we have to pay along with the principal when we repay that amount. Okay, second one is that collateral. You can see a word here, collateral or security. So that is another important condition to get a loan. Collateral means security. What do you mean by security, or why they should take some security? Is it necessary that they should take one security, or whether we should give some security? Even if we didn't give security, what is the problem? All are busy in some other work or listening to me? Because I feel that when you are not answering, I feel you are busy in some other work, right? So collateral, why we should give some collateral or security against loans? Why we should give? That's what I'm asking. Why we should give? Louder. Savio, please don't talk like this. Louder.
If the borrower is not able to pay the money,
No, yours is not audible what you are telling. Johan. Johan, are you there? Now those who are not responding, I will mark absent, okay? Johan, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what I am asking, see, when I want a loan, I should give some security in the bank. Now security is given, you can see what do you mean by security. It can be building, it can be vehicle, it can be deposit with the bank, it can be land, like that. It can be livestock, it can be anything. So why the bank is collecting some security like this? Is it necessary or not? That's what I'm asking.
Yes, ma'am, it is necessary.
Why?
Because if we didn't pay the loan back, they can take the
Wonderful,
security.
very good.
And,
Okay, what happens here, if you are taking some money and you are running away, what will happen to the bank? If you have not submitted any security, okay, and you ran away from without paying the amount of money, so what will happen to the bank? It will be a loss for the bank, right?
Yes,
So here what happens, collateral they always ask, because they keep this, maybe document papers, maybe sometimes papers of vehicle, all these things they will be keeping it as a guarantee. Okay, so it's a guarantee for the lender that the borrower will repay the money. So until they repay the money, this will be kept as a guarantee with whom? With whom they will keep this? With the, see this,
Lender.
with the lender. Okay, so here collateral is what now? It is an asset that the borrower owns. Borrower is having that collateral or security. What is that collateral now? Maybe the land, building, vehicle, livestock, deposit with the bank. So it is something valuable one. This valuable one we are keeping with the lender who is giving money to the borrower till what time? Until it is repaid. Why they are keeping this? It is a guarantee that the lender can keep that with himself till the time it is repaid. Otherwise, if the person is not repaying, if the borrower is not repaying, what the lender can do? What the lender can do? Aman? If the borrower is not repaying that amount of money, what the lender can do?
The lender has right to sell it.
Yes, the lender has the right to sell that asset or collateral to get the income. So like that, one second necessary terms of credit, that is collateral. First one, what did I say? What did I say related to first one? The first requirement. Rifa? Rifa.
Yes, ma'am.
First requirement, what did I say? I told two terms of credit now. The first term of credit, what did I say? Yes, fast.
Ma'am, interest rate collateral.
Interest rate followed. And second one?
Collateral.
Collateral one. Okay, so these are the important, these are the two important things which you can see related to. Just 1 minute, okay? These things are accepted as collateral by the bank. Okay, so all these things like livestock, it can be crops, it can be bank deposit, it can be like that. Something valuable.
Vehicles, livestock, standing crops, and bank deposits. The lender reserves the right to sell the collateral in case of non-repayment to recover the loan amount.
So this is very important. In case if the lender is not able to repay the loan, borrower is not able to repay the loan, the lender has the right to sell the collateral to get the money out of it. Okay, so these are the important points related to it. Now, yes, coming to the textbook, just see. One case study is given. So many questions they have asked here. I will be asking all these questions to you. Read thoroughly or listen. I will make one person to read, listen carefully. Okay? Aman. No, he went or what from there? Arjun, can you read? Yes. Are you reading anything? We can't hear anything.
Mega has taken
Yes, yes. Louder, louder. No, as you move away from the instrument, we can't hear. Come closer a little bit. Yes.
Mega has taken a loan of
No, not audible. Aditya, read. Yes, read.
Mega has taken a loan of rupees 5 lakhs from the bank to purchase a house. The annual interest rate on the loan is 12% and the loan is to be repaid in 10 years in monthly installments. Mega had to submit to the bank documents showing her employment records and salary before the bank agreed to give her the loan. The bank retained as collateral the papers of the new house, which will be returned to Mega only when she repays the entire loan with interest.
Interest. So here we are talking about what kind of loan? This loan is used for what purpose?
Housing loan.
Housing loan. So it is for buying a house or making a house. Okay. So loan amount is given. How much rupees she is taking?
5 lakh rupees.
Okay. So she is taking 5 lakhs. Then next question. Duration of the loan. How much?
10 years.
What is it?
10 years.
10?
Years.
10 years. Okay, okay. 10 years. Okay, that is the duration. 1 minute. Yeah. 10 years. Okay. Then documents required. What all documents they were asking?
Employment reports and
Okay, that means regarding salary, right?
yes, ma'am.
Then whether they are asking about the house, any
salary.
salary. Okay, salary only I told regarding employment. Okay, then
Employment.
only that much. Okay, interest rate
12%.
12%. Okay, mode of repayment
Monthly installments.
monthly. So
Monthly
monthly
installment.
she should pay that. Then last one, collateral. What is the collateral?
Papers of new house.
Yes, papers of
New house.
new house. So these are the terms and conditions that she should have to follow for getting a loan from a bank. So how much amount is given, what is the duration it is given, documents, what all things related to her salary or related to her employment, whatever papers are there, that should be submitted. Interest rate is 12%. How they are going to pay, that is monthly. Collateral. So we can say that out of this or from this example we can say that interest rate, then collateral, mode of payment, all these things are considered as the terms of credit, or these all things will come under terms of credit. So here once more, interest rate, what all things are coming? Interest rate, collateral, documents whatever is required, and the mode of repayment together constitute the terms of credit. Okay, so what all things will come under terms of credit? Rose, what all things will come under terms of credit? Interest rate, collateral, documents required, and the mode of repayment. Now we take credit for various purpose, right? Is it that only for housing we take the loan?
No, ma'am.
Various reasons we may take the loan. Can you think of any two other activities for car loan? Okay, very good. Then
Loan for farm.
loan for farming. Okay.
Industries.
Yeah, for starting industries it can be, or maybe for starting business like that. Okay, so here what example I told you, that is for housing loan. So maybe if I talk about loan for a business, sometimes the terms and conditions changes. Here I told you 10 years, but it can be 20 years or 5 years for any other credit. Okay, so it's not that these terms and conditions will remain same for everything. It's not like that. It changes. That is what they have given. The terms of credit will change from one credit to another, because they depend upon the nature of the lender and the borrower. Because for what purpose I need a loan, that may be different from another borrower. So it depends upon the lender and the borrower here. Okay, so these are the various things related to terms of credit. Now let me take the attendance. Adil, absent. Aditya,
Krishna.
Aditya is Krishna.
Yes,
Afsana, Aman, Amina, Anjita, Anne Mary, Arjun. Hello, say, otherwise I'll mark absent, okay? Whoever is not responding, I'm marking absent. Ashik,
Present, ma'am.
Badra,
Present, ma'am.
Emil, Fia,
Present, ma'am.
Hadidi Razia,
Present, ma'am.
Hadi Amin,
Present, ma'am.
Haya,
Present, ma'am.
Hein Steve,
Present, ma'am.
Johan.
Present, ma'am.
Why are you taking absent in between, Johan? What happened? Not feeling well or what?
No, ma'am.
Yesterday you didn't come, I mean previous day you didn't come. Okay, John, Rizwan, absent. Lolita, absent. Meghna,
Present, ma'am.
Melvin, absent. Aman, absent. Naz, absent. Nirupama, absent. Nessia, Surya,
Present.
Adidev, Prajod,
Present, ma'am.
Pratyush, Rifa, Rose,
Present.
Sainaba.
Amplified present.
Okay, Sainaba, Savio,
Present, ma'am.
Vishnu, Vishnupriya.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you everyone then.
Thank you, ma'am.
You can leave. 2 minutes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you.